that wants to climb so high. Dreams of money touching sky, but the trees are nowhere found. Don't take her from the world unbound. Her nature yearns to reach the top. Climbing never wants to stop. In the forest where she plays, let her have her sunlit days. And as in the trees they roam, in the branches find their home. Climbing is their wild delight. Let them reach the highest heights. The pandas play from dawn to dusk, in the leaves that feel like musk. Nature calls them to be free, bouncing through the canopy. Forest whisper, let them be, climbing high for all to see. For the pandas need the trees, in their branches lies a breeze.